We're so proud in Sharjah Investment and Development Authority to have this joint venture between us and B6. B6 is one of the great companies that have done wonders in the world. Today, within Sharjah, we're actually creating a joint venture, creating a company called Qatra, which is going to be responsible of actually transforming how sewage water is actually treated. And as we speak, we're actually treating 30,000 cubic meters of water on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. That means about sustainability. It talks about cleaning the water, making it reusable for different purposes, not drinking purposes, but many other uses within the government of Sharjah. If I talk about myself, I love animals, I love landscaping, I love protected sites, I love nature. I love what we do within Shuruq with developing ecologies, with developing environmental areas, creating ponds, creating nurseries, farms, using those water. To us, when we think about Qatra, we think about an entity that's going to transform the way of how we think about water. Well, the whole plan is about being sustainable. It's about changing the way of how people think, believe sewage water can be used for. So the main purpose is sustainability. The second purpose is stopping people from using groundwater. And third thing is how can we make use of sewage treated water. So our plan is actually, after managing the current facility within Sharjah, is doubling that capacity to 60,000 and then moving towards reusable treated water so we can use it for different industries. As we speak, sewage water is a wealth to any nation, but it depends on how are you going to make use of it to benefit the whole economy. When we started, the whole vision was actually to treat water. Then the idea was how can we make use of this water and how can we make use of the beds that we're creating. So today, we're giving the water to different industries. We're encouraging manufacturers or those companies that are into construction to use our water. Second thing, we actually created a pipeline all the way to one of the protected sites, the new Safari in Sharjah and in Bridi. We're going to support them with providing them water for their landscaping. We have one of the great programs that we did, an agreement with the Sharjah cement factory. We're providing them products that will make them use less of the coal that they're using in their cement factory. I believe the most important thing God gave us is water. If we make sure that the water we utilize properly, then we're going to save a lot of this water. We currently produce water through desalination plants and groundwater. We would like to see Qatra as one of the major players in the region, not only within Sharjah, but within the United Arab Emirates. With the name of Qatra, which means a drop of water, means a lot to us, that we are sending a message that we have to take care of every drop of water that we actually have.